What's up, everybody? We back at Lanier for another autocross event. Got my brother, got the LS E36 with me. So this is gonna be the last event in this current state for the E36. After this, it's gonna be going through some changes. So as usual, I got here a bit late, so I'm gonna go and watch a few runs, see the track layout, and then we're gonna jump out there and see what we could do. Alright, so I went and watched, got the layout, so go out there and get some runs in, have some fun. Alright, we about to head on out for our first run, but it looks like they might be stopping because it's starting to rain a bit. Oh, never mind. I ain't scared of a little rain. They gonna let everybody keep on? I don't know, we're about to find out. Oh yeah, nobody's water. I do not know how much traction is out here. It is slick down here. He got me. Boy, it's slick. It's fun though, as long as it don't start raining too heavy and they keep running. It should stay relatively dry. Alright, so I got two laps in. And decided to come in to check the tire pressure and everything. Got my brother getting them, setting them right. My homie Keenan pulled up, taking the flicks. Got this nice camera. So yeah, we're just letting it cool down for a second, getting the tire pressure right, and then we're gonna jump back out there. But it's real slick out there. With the rain, it is real slick. So hopefully it starts to dry up. It stopped raining, well, drizzling, but yeah, hopefully it dries up a bit and I got some more traction. The tires were at 40 psi, so that definitely contributed to sliding around so much. So yeah, that's a drift car. Yeah. Yeah, so hopefully now when we go back out, it'll be a little bit more better. Have a little bit more traction and just be light on the throttle. I got a little excited on the second run, so I'm gonna just take it easy. This entire track with this in these conditions is like half throttle. Anything more than that is just a little drift day. I definitely need a new power steering rack. I feel it. No traction. No traction. I would have had him if I had traction. That's a good race. If I just had a little bit more traction coming out of that last corner, I could have had him. And honestly, like I saw him out the corner of my eye and my peripheral. Excuse me. I saw him out the corner of my eye and my peripheral, and I was just like, I saw him, and I'm already in the corner, and the car was sliding, and I wanted to back off to regain traction, but he was right there. I'm like, maybe I could just, you know, stay in it until the finish line, but it was a little bit farther than I thought. So that was fun though. All right, we switching it up this go around. We going on the right side. Oh yeah, this side is a lot drier. Side's a bit better.
Yeah, I like that side of the track more.
The right side?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that side's I like it. I'm gonna run on this side again. Nah, they got a tow Mater somewhere that look like Mater from Cars.
Oh shit.
Yeah, like an old rusted up tow truck. Yeah, they got something like that. It's around here somewhere. That's what they be towing them off the track with.
So that's what they'll pick your car up with?
Yeah. Or they'll just connect it with a strap, and then if they can't pick it up, yeah, they'll just, like, if your car's too low, they'll just connect it with a strap and then pull it. Yeah. All right, I had to come in and change my battery. It was on like 30-something%, but it just kept dying, so I missed recording the last 2 runs. But it's starting to drizzle again, if y'all can see that. But I just wanted to take a little break for a second, and then we're gonna jump back out there. That GT4 RS is clean. But yeah, the car doing good. I didn't chalk today up. It's just being a fun day. There's no traction out here. It's way too slick, so I'm just having fun. I'm not gonna look at it as being a competitive day, so it's all good. I'm gonna just enjoy myself, and hopefully the rain stays, you know, somewhat easy, and we can get some more runs in, and we'll see what happens.
This side a little slick now too. Yeah. say shit. Hey, Keaton, you want to jump in? I said that way we could just kind of split it up these last couple runs.
Yeah.
All right, last one, guys. Let's make it count.
All right, cool.
Last one.
And they got a light on it.
Rubber right there, and it's really slick. Alright, yeah, so we got a good amount of runs in. It wasn't much traction. It was real slick out there for the whole day, but it was a lot of fun. Like, once I just put it in my mind that it wasn't a competitive day, it was a fun day. It just, like I said, it was just a lot of fun. So as y'all saw in the last run, it wasn't our decision. They told us, like, hey, you know, this is the last run, make it count. I never like to say, okay, yeah, I'm gonna do my last run. Every time you do that, something breaks. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just get a couple more runs in, and then he was like, yeah, this is the last run. So, you know, did what I did, but the car held up good. You know, it's doing what it's supposed to. Every time I drive it, I'm just like, this is exactly what I built this car for, you know, just to drive it to the track, beat on it at the track, and then drive it home. You know, you can't beat it. It's everything that I want. The low end torque, it made it a handful today, but you know, it's just 25-50% throttle, like that's the max, and then it's actually faster than like that than going full throttle and just blowing the tires off. So it was a lot of fun. You know, today was a lot of fun. Just getting everything packed up now, and we're gonna go ahead and head home. So I'm gonna call it there, and I'm gonna let y'all go. Oh yeah, and before I let y'all go, I know I said in earlier this video it's going to be the last event, and even the title of this video is the last event in this phase of the E36, and you will see what I'm talking about. I'm going to let y'all know exactly what I got going on and what plans I have for the E36. I'm actually going to do that in the next video, so probably tomorrow I'll try and get the garage cleaned up so I got a nice setting and show y'all what the deal is and what I got planned for it. So I'm going to let y'all go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see y'all next time.